In this lesson, we are going to create a very simple trial balance report. We will start by entering some parameter values that the dynamic functions will use. We will enter the company name to report from and a start and end date. In column A, we want to get a list of our general ledger account codes. Therefore, we shall open a connection to the Dynamics NAV database. We do this by clicking the Open icon on the Astral Reports menu. The message displayed here is a warning which highlights the restrictions of the demonstration license. Now that a connection is in place, we can use getTable to retrieve a list of general ledger account codes from the database. After selecting general ledger accounts, you can specify which company to obtain the list from. If you wish to populate the list across the page, select the Fill Across Rows checkbox. If you would like to include totaling accounts, select the Include Totaling Accounts checkbox. And if you have any formula in adjacent cells that you would like to be automatically copied down the page, place a check in the Copy Formula in Adjacent Cells checkbox. Now click the Insert Function icon. And select the Astral Report for Dynamics NAV category and scroll down the list of functions until you find the function starting with NAVGL. And then select the NAVGL name function. This will display Excel's standard function arguments form and contains two arguments, one for the company and one for the general ledger account code. Clicking the OK button will instantly obtain the values from the Dynamics NAV database. Now, we would like to quickly copy the formula down the page. The easiest method to do this within Excel is to fix the arguments to the formula by highlighting the formula and pressing the F4 key. This places a dollar symbol in front of each column and row reference. However, when we copy the formula down the page, we want the GL account code parameter to change, and so we need to remove the dollar symbol from before the GL account row reference. Now, to copy the formula down the page, move the cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell and double-click the left mouse button. Now, we will use another function to retrieve the GL account amount from the Dynamics NAV database. Insert the parameters from above. Note, however, that it is not always necessary to enter all of the parameters. In this example, we will not enter a business unit parameter. And finally, use the F4 key to fix the rows and columns with a $sign, but allow the row of the GL account parameter to move as the formula is copied down. And finally, enter a department code to see the values update automatically. This concludes this video. Please review the other videos for more details on how to use Astral reports for Dynamics NAV.